In the history of the automobile, very few shapes are truly immortal. But today, the legend that defined a generation of freedom has been reimagined for the era of intelligence. This is the 2026 Volkswagen T1 Samba. It is not a van, and it is certainly not just another SUV. It is a technological benchmark, a high-luxury sanctuary that merges the soul of the 1950s with the predictive power of the 2030s. Volkswagen isn't just looking back, they're setting a new flagship standard for what a premium mobile space can be. This is a global icon, and the T1 community is the most passionate on Earth. Comment below with your city and country. We want to see where our global community is watching from as we witness this revival together. Is this the machine that finally makes every other luxury SUV look like a relic of the past? Let's find out. The T1 possesses an aesthetic authority that is impossible to ignore. It commands the road not through aggression, but through sculpted proportions and a timeless, assertive road presence. Audiences will recognize the iconic V-shaped nose, but look closer at the intelligent design elements. Those round headlights, they are matrix LED arrays that track eye movement to illuminate corners before you even turn the wheel. The signature 21 windows have been replaced by a seamless panoramic glass ecosystem that wraps around the entire upper pillars using electrochromic technology to dim or clear at the touch of a button. The aerodynamics are equally intuitive. Despite its upright, nostalgic silhouette, the T1 features hidden air curtains and a flush underbody that gives it the drag coefficient of a sports sedan. It's a masterclass in how to honor heritage while embracing the future. But as striking as this exterior is, the real evolution, the moment where transportation becomes transcendence, begins the moment those motorized barn doors swing open. Welcome to your digital sanctuary. Forget the cramped benches of the past. The 2026 T1 is a private lounge designed for the modern elite. The cabin is a mobile sanctuary where bespoke craftsmanship meets intelligence. There are no visible buttons. Instead, the holistic surface dashboard responds to your touch and natural speech. The AI interface doesn't just take commands, it learns your biometrics. If the T1 detects you're fatigued after a long flight, it automatically adjusts the seat massage patterns and ambient lighting to a restorative frequency. Materials here highlight sustainable luxury. We're talking about coffee bean tanned leathers and recycled ocean plastics transformed into high-definition fabrics. This is an interior that doesn't just house passengers, it hosts an experience. Behind the retro charm is a powerhouse of predictive intelligence. The T1 is built on the next-generation SSP platform, featuring a redundant LiDAR and cloud connectivity suite. But what does that mean for you? It means the elimination of the stress of urban navigation. The T1 doesn't just assist you, it anticipates the road. Through its cloud-linked ecosystem, it communicates with other vehicles to navigate traffic jams before you even see the brake lights. If you're heading to a crowded city center, the T1 doesn't just find a parking spot, it coordinates with the parking infrastructure to reserve your space and glides into it autonomously. It's not just tech for tech's sake, it's tech that returns your time to you. The dynamic evolution of the T1 moves us away from the underpowered engines of the past and into the realm of effortless power. While a high-performance hybrid variant is available for some markets, the true flagship is the 3-motor EV setup. We're talking about a seamless delivery of over 600 horsepower, pushing this lounge on wheels from 0 to 60 in under 4 seconds. But it isn't about raw speed, it's about the telepathic ride quality. The proactive chassis control uses forward-facing cameras to scan the road surface. If it detects a ripple in the pavement, it preloads the air suspension for that specific wheel. The result? A ride so smooth you'll forget you're even moving. It is intelligent efficiency at its most refined. The 2026 Volkswagen T1 is a statement of intent. It is Volkswagen's way of proving that our digital future doesn't have to be cold or clinical. It can have a soul. It can have a history. By combining sculpted nostalgia with a hyper-intelligent ecosystem, they've created more than a vehicle. They've created a new way to move through the world. But here is the question for all of you. With a price point expected to rival the highest-end Range Rovers and Bentleys, does this tech-forward, ultra-luxury approach make its rivals look outdated? Or is it too much too soon for the people's car brand? Does the T1 still belong to the people, or has it become something else entirely? Let's get the debate started in the comments below. If you want to see more deep dives into the vehicles redefining our future, hit that subscribe button. I'm VIREX Auto, and I'll see you in the next one.